All right, guys. Hi, Sarah again. Thanks for joining me today. I love the colors of my last pour, and I still have more left over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I have a second one right here. I am going to actually do a straight pour and then wreck it with the chopstick to get some fleur-de-lis designs going on. I have a 7 ounce, I believe these are 7 ounce. Yeah, 7 ounce cup here, and I'm going to layer them up in the same colors as yesterday's pour. So that's the Liquitex Brilliant Yellow Green. This is Grumbacher's Thio Violet. I also have Decoart's 24K Gold, Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Black. I have Colorshift Purple Flash, Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue, Blue Green. I can't remember which one it is, so bear with me. Here it is. It is Blue Green. So Pebeo's Blue Green. I then also have Cobalt Blue by Liquitex Basics. So we're gonna layer up this cup. I've got some white mixed up here, and that's Amsterdam Titanium White with some of Decoart Satin Enamel in it. So we are going to get right to it. I'm gonna do a little bit layered of the white. I'm gonna come in with 24K Gold. Let's do some of the Cobalt Blue. We're not going to do too much green. Like I said yesterday, it can overcome and take over a painting. So we're just going to do a little bit of that. And then this. I'm going to come in here. And then some of the Cobalt. And we'll top it off with not white. Yeah, no, we'll just leave it as is. Or maybe just a little more. And then we're going to put a little white mixture right in the middle of the canvas and move it around. Just spread it out a bit. A little more. You're going to want it to move a bit just to stretch the 7 ounces out, hopefully. Okay, and we are going to pour. Pretty. We're gonna give it a torch. I love the lacing that's going on there. Bring this up. Maybe you guys can see some of the details. Okay, there we go. Now here, I don't have my chopstick on me, so And get a paper towel because you always want to wipe off so you don't muddle things. We're going to go this way. I love this area. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, let's pop that bubble. There we go. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to salvage that. That's kind of close to the edge, but we are going to do our best. All right. So we are going to come this way and we're going to go right off. Bring it back, and then we're going to go over here and bring it back. I love this area here. It's opening up, which is really nice. We're going to try and get some of that kept on the canvas, and I did manage to keep a little. It can be tough. I am going to get a little more of that blue green and what cobalt and brilliant green off of there. Not liking it as much as the rest of the composition. There we go. I'm just going to move that over. We're going to bring in the next canvas. And on this one, I think we're going to do 2 cups. And we're going to layer up 2 cups about halfway each. That way, we can kind of do a kiss pour. We'll see how it goes. Or not, or maybe 2 straight pours. You never know. And we are going to start off with a little bit of white in each one. I'm going to come in with blue, the cobalt blue. And then Pebeo Iridescent blue green. I'm debating whether or not I want to use lime green this time, which I think I'm not going to. I'm going to take the brilliant yellow green out of the mix. Let's see here. Thio violet. A little bit of green, gold in each one. Follow that with a bit of white. And then the aqua flash. In there. Let's come in we go. Let's do a splash of the blue black. And then I do want to do a little bit of gold on top. And I'm not really layering that at this point. I'm just about out, so I'm just drizzling it. And let's drizzle some white. Okay. Move all this out of the way. And then what we're gonna do is a couple of little, we'll go here. We'll just do that. All right. And here we go. Going to be an interesting dismount. Not bad. I've seen better by myself. So, all right. So we have lots going on here. I'm going to do some of the white. Not really worried about where or how. It's just going to run off. So it's just the flow extender. Love this area. I don't really like that way, but let's just play. This is going to drive me crazy. I love what's going on here. So let's just kind of move it around and see what we have. It looks like mud, but I know it's not. Sometimes the Pebeo gray, let me get this in here. All right, we'll just move it around a smidge, stretch it out this way. And I salvaged these feathery areas here, which I really, really love. All right, we're gonna come this way. I'm gonna try and salvage that red little pop of color there. And I did. I'll make sure I don't get it on the canvas that's already been painted. And I love that area. we're gonna come down here. We're just tilting back at this point, getting it more balanced. Gosh, this is gonna look gorgeous. The Pebeo Blue Black can make things look muddied and gray, and I know I only used a little bit, but when it dries, it is going to look so cool. All right, let's bring you guys in for close-up. Here is this one. Gosh, it looks so dark. Maybe it's just my phone. This area right here is like so pretty. I'm really happy that I was able to keep this area and get this area opened up more. And then, so there's that one. And then we have this one with the pops of the violet and all of these lines. They are gonna look so neat when dry. And then look at this. And it just glows in the middle. So yeah, you guys have been great. Check back for the next video to see the dried results of these two pieces. Remember to please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Consider subscribing and go from there. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now.